To sign into NoodleTools, you will click on the Login button in the upper right corner. This will bring you to their Sign In section where you can sign in with Google by simply clicking on the Google Sign In. Once you sign in, if you've never done this before, it will ask you to select your campus. So you would choose William Johnson Middle School. It may also ask you for your graduation date. You can leave it as NA, or if you choose to, you want to put your graduation year in from this building, you can. Once you're into NoodleTools, you will see a couple of things. Under the title NoodleTools, you will see your project list, and it is now organized by year. So if you look in the upper right corner, you'll see the drop down. If you have things from previous years, you'll see those here. So I'm in the 2021-22 school year. If I use my drop down, I can see all the other years that I have projects in. Now, to create a new project, I would click on the New Project button in the upper right corner. I will, under the Create a New Project, create the title of my new project. So for this, I'm just going to put Test New Project. And then I like to put the date. I might even include the month, so if I need to quickly categorize it. And then I'm going to also put the citation style. So I'm going to use the MLA format, which is what we use here at WJ. And then citation level, you can use junior. If you know you're going to be using like podcasts and other things, you would want to click advanced. But for most of the projects here, junior would be enough. Then I'm going to click submit. Now, once I'm in this project, I also have the ability to go in and rename it if I need to. I can change the style. So if I said, oh, I put APA style and I really need MLA style, I have the ability to change that. And then also changing the level. So if I realize that I need to switch it to advanced because, or if it was on junior and I need to change it to advanced, I can do that because I might have a resource that I don't have the right kind of citation for. Okay. The other thing is when I'm ready to share it, I can click on the plus button. I can share it with a teacher's inbox here. So if you are working with NoodleTools with a specific teacher, the teacher will have a created inbox for you and they'll tell you what that's going to be. And then the other piece is if you have a student who you are working with, you can have one NoodleTool project that you both have access to, or three of you or more have access to. And to add a student, you would click on the Add Student, and you would need to select what they can do, whether they can see it and add to it, or just see it and give you feedback, okay, so by checking either one of these boxes. To enter the student, you would need their email address, their full email address. So you'd want to make sure that you add them when they're sitting next to you so they can double check that you're entering the correct email address. Okay. For the teacher's inbox, you would look at the project inbox name, which the teacher would give you. As you start typing the inbox or the teacher's last name, it will start to auto-populate a list and you'll just want to click on the correct one.